second day in Mexico. And today will be more of a chill day. Because yesterday was my first day here and it was hectic as fuck. Ah. Hello? Who is it?
Amor, your mommy was messaging me. Do you know if she needs something from me?
I need a coffee.
Ah.
Yes, I gotta come for it right now.
Oh shit, okay.
Oh, I'm glad I woke up to make her an espresso. Obviously, I'm gonna change my sweater, but